Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I have installed this beautiful highlighted wig from Nadula hair, and I want some baby hairs and to get these curls popping. So if you want to see how I got to this by adding some baby hairs and doing my little, razzle dazzle to define these curls, just keep on watching. Okay, so for starters, I love the no baby hair look with this unit, but the type of person I am, I just love some baby hairs, so I'm going to add them in. So I'm using a rat tail comb and some little scissors with my foam wrap, my Camille Rose Fresh Honey Nectar leave-in, my Garnier Fructis products, leave-in and Sleek and Shine, as well as a spray bottle of water. To help style my baby hairs, I purchased this Ultra Slim Flat Iron by Kiss from Walmart, and I'm going to be using that to curl my baby hairs today. I start off by taking my rat tail comb and sectioning off where I would like my baby hairs to start. A lot of people go for the wispy look, so that means you would part out less hair. I make sure to part from my middle part to my ear. This allows me to see a full hairline look of what I would like to go for. So I do that, I clip the hair back, and then I repeat on the other side. Once I part my baby hairs out, I then go back in where I parted the hair out to go with my Gots to Be, and I just make sure that is sleek down in place and brush back the hairs that I will not be using. Once I do that to both sides, I then take my scarf and I tie that down just to make sure everything is laying and slaying how it's supposed to, okay? I let the scarf stay on my head while I style my curls, and by the time you finish styling your curls, it is time for that scarf to come off and get ready to lay them baby hairs. To style my curls, I do section my hair in 2 halves down the middle. It's easier to work in smaller sections, and then I go from each half and work my way up. I dampen the hair using my spray bottle. I then go in with my curling enhancing smoothie. And then I top it off with my foam wrap. You do not need a lot of these products. You don't want your hair to weigh down and feel cakey, so only use a little bit as you go up because you do not need a lot. I continue that process all the way up to my hair, and then I repeat on the other side. Now as you go through, you can use your fingers to separate the curls and just make sure that the product is getting through to them. Try not to use like a Denman brush or any type of styler brush for hair that has been already processed. The less tension on the hair, the better, and the longer it will last for you. So our fingers are just fine to go through and rake out these curls and to get them popping. Once I do that on both sides, I then move the hair out of the way and clip it back so I can get to these baby hairs. This would actually be a cute style to wear it pulled back with like 2 curls hanging in the front. Yeah. But anyways, go ahead and section your baby hairs off into 3 if you want a middle swoop and a side swoop. Here, I think I wanted to see how the 2 sides will look first. So I did go in with my scissors and just trim them. I always start longer than normal and then I trim them based off the look I'm going for. If you want shorter baby hairs, just cut them shorter. But I really wanted to see how this flat iron was working and I just started longer because you can always trim up. But once you cut that hair off, baby, it's not going to grow back. I took some Got2b and sprayed a little bit on my hair edges brush, but I don't really know how I feel about it. I kind of wanted a softer curl, so I don't know if I should have done that. It still came out cute, but next time I probably won't use the Got2b. I may just try to use like my mousse instead, or like maybe a little bit of oil, but it still came out cute. Once your edges are laid how you want, I then go in with my Garnier Fruit Tea Sleek and Shine, or you could use your oil of choice. Garnier is very lightweight, but it still gets the job done, so that's why I love it. So that is the finished results, you guys. These are the curls defined. When they dry, I'm gonna like pick it out a little bit to give it a little more volume. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you missed how I installed this beautiful highlighted curly wig from Nadula Hair, it will be linked in my description box and you should check it out because I'm no professional, but we getting these things laid and slayed, all right? And again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.